2021 Toyota Avalon air filter, cabin filter, wipers, and oil filter replacement. So what you want to do is pop your hood. I'm dealing with a 2021 Avalon with the 3.5 liter. It's the TRD. And so basically what you want to do is for the air filters, come over here. This is your air box right here. Now I'm going to disconnect the MAP sensor and this wire harness. You have to. There's a little clip right here in the middle of this. You push it straight forward and then lift this straight up. Same for right here. You just lift that center tab up just very gently and you can slide this right off. It shouldn't be difficult at all to get off. Now once this is off, with your car off and your key out of the vehicle, disconnect this MAP sensor, squeeze this button right here, and then just pull it straight back. It might be stubborn if it's down the road and it's getting old. Also, there are these little spring clips right here. You just push them off like that, and this. And there's a little vacuum line you got to get off too. And there's tabs back here. So lift this up like this, and then just pull it straight out so the tabs get out. And then there's your filter right there. And then you just kind of lift this up high enough so you can kind of snake this filter out like that. Now here's that vacuum line I was telling you about. I forgot to show you. Just pull that straight off before you lift this up. And then there's some stuff down there, so be gentle because these air boots over time, they become super brittle and they rip really easy. So just be real gentle when you're getting this out. Here's my filter. This is a Toyota one. It's made by Denso. I'm going to put a link in the description for a new air filter. I'm replacing this with a Wix one. That's just what all they had right now. So I got my Wix filter. Here's my part number. Again, links in description to Amazon. And what you want to do is lift this up, and then we'll put this guy in there like that. It only goes in one way, kind of. I think it's dummy proof. And then we'll put these tabs in first. So you want to tilt the front of the box up and then put these tabs in like this. Once these are in, you want to just gently lower the box. And then we're going to put the spring clips on. Those spring clips should go on pretty easy. You shouldn't have to really struggle or wrestle with it. So if they're not going on, try to see if something's not lined up right. So we got these on here. Go ahead and get this on. And then we'll get this vacuum hose. Don't forget the vacuum hose because your check engine light may come on if you forget this. Be very careful though because those nipples become very easy to break. And then for the wire harness, I'll put this on first. This just slides back on. It locks into place. Same with right here. And then at the end, we will put the MAP sensor on just like this. All right, no problem. And that's how you do your air filter. Now let's move to the cabin filter area. Cabin filter, we're going to go inside of the car. It's where the glove box is. We're going to open the glove box right here, and then there's this little access panel here. There's a little tab on the right. You're going to push it and then just fold this forward like this. All right, get that out the way, and then here's your access door to the cabin filter. So this side you don't really need to mess with, but on this side there's a tab. There's two center tabs. You have to squeeze. The smaller your fingers, the better. You squeeze those and then just pull this straight out. It could be kind of tedious if you have fat fingers like me. But once you get that side off, you could just slide the left side out. Alright, so we got the left side out. And then there's a tray in here with your cabin filter. Now notice on the tray there's an arrow that points up and it also says up. Let's go and get this out. We're going to remove the cabin filter from the tray. This is my old filter. I'll put links in the description for a new one to Amazon. This is my new one. It's like, this is my old one. I believe this is an OEM one as well. Notice it had that arrow pointing up. If your new one comes and it has an arrow pointing up and it says up, then point it up. Now here's my replacement. My replacement has an arrow pointing down and it says airflow. So if it says airflow with an arrow going down, you're going to put it in with the arrow pointing down. I know that's kind of confusing, but that's the way it is. So I'm going to get this in. You want to get this in as perfect as you can. And then once that's in as perfect as you can, we're going to slide this tray into place. Sometimes this tray will look like it's good, but it won't be lined up right. And you'll know when you go to put this access door back on. You put the left side in first. You just gently put the tabs in, and then you'll once you get the left side in, you should be able to just very gently slide the right side over. So if it's not working, take it out, put it back in, take it out, put it back in. Just keep trying until it goes in right, because this left side should go in easily, and then you should be able to easily just slide this right side over. It'll click into place. Once that's in, we can put our access panel back on, put the left side in first, the little tabs, and then just walk it over. Clips right into place, no problem. Good job. That's how you do your cabin filter. Now, the oil filter is under the car on the passenger side under this panel. You gotta take this panel off. There's about 5 of these clips right here. You just pop the center of them out with a flathead. Once you get these clips out, you could just kind of gently wiggle this guy out. And then there's your oil filter right there. It's a canister style. I have a video tutorial on how to go do your canister styles, in-depth video. Here's your oil filter part number. This is A1, links in the description. Engine oil is 0W20, and then your filter, your wiper blade sizes are right here. Everything's in the description.
Hey, what's up guys? I wanted to tell you about this new soap I've been using by a new company called Quantum Soap. It's a men's soap company. They make multiple different bars of soap with their own ingredients and fragrance. They even have a dark matter bar, which is more grittier. If you're a mechanic, you have a lot of dirt and oil in your skin a lot. You can reach them at quantumsoapco.com. Free shipping on orders over $50. These soaps are made in the US with all natural ingredients by hand. No synthetic this, synthetic that. They've been great. They've hooked us up with a Guillermo Auto promo code. So if you head over to the website, type in Guillermo Auto in the checkout, you'll get 10% off. Again, these guys are on Facebook, Instagram. Check them out. Check the links below. Thanks for watching.
Pretty good.